The small island of Barbados made a big impact at the recently concluded Expo 2020 Dubai, one of the world's greatest showcases of human brilliance and achievement. Not only did the Caribbean's newest republic promote its accomplishments from innovation to transformation in Dubai, but the island's Prime Minister Mia Mottley also presided over the opening of its first embassy in the Middle East in nearby Abu Dhabi. Marketplace Excellence's Lalela Laulu was in the Emirates last week.
With millions marveling at architectural gems housing the dreams of over 190 nations, in a space larger than 600 football fields, Barbados' exhibit is reaching an unprecedented number of people. It also confirmed the astuteness of Prime Minister Mia Mottley's decision to open an embassy in Abu Dhabi, an oil giant and source of some of the world's most advanced financial and investment facilities.
What is required is simply beating the pavements, winning friends, and building on that trust and creating economic opportunities, but reinforcing partnership for multilateral advocacy and regional advocacy.
Reporting for the Marketplace Excellence Caribbean Report, I'm Bevan Springer.